Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a brand with Canva quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin building your brand with Canva, sign in to your Canva account or create a new one. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Click on the Create a Design button to start a new project. Choose a template that resonates with your brand's vision or select a custom dimension. Explore the different categories to find templates specifically designed for logos, banners, or social media posts. Once you have selected a template, customize the text by clicking on it. Type in your brand name and any other relevant details. Next, adjust the font style and size to fit your brand identity. Explore the extensive library of fonts available in Canva to ensure your text reflects your brand's personality. Now, focus on the color palette. Select colors that align with your brand's message and evoke the desired emotions. Canva allows you to create color palettes or choose from predefined ones. Incorporate any brand elements, such as logos or icons, by uploading them directly to Canva. Drag and drop your uploaded files onto the template. Make sure to resize and position these elements thoughtfully for a balanced look. Consider adding graphics or illustrations to enhance your design. Utilize Canva's search bar to find relevant images and icons. Once your design looks good, take a moment to review all the elements for consistency. When you are satisfied with your design, click the Download button in the top right corner. Choose the appropriate file format for your needs, such as PNG or PDF. After downloading, test your branding on different platforms or backgrounds. Be open to feedback and make adjustments to improve your brand presentation. Repeat this process for various materials, including social media posts, business cards, and flyers. Consistency is key, so keep your designs aligned with your established brand identity. Over time, develop a brand kit in Canva for quick access to your colors, fonts, and logos. This will streamline your design process and maintain brand consistency across all platforms. Continue exploring Canva's features to find new ways to enhance your branding efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.